Meet the double-sided steel cutting board, the smart, durable board made for every kitchen. One side is stainless steel, perfect for meat, fish, and tough cutting jobs. Flip it over, and you get a wheat straw PP board for fruit, vegetables, and everyday chopping. It's strong, safe, and designed to last, giving you two cutting surfaces in one. The non-porous design means it won't absorb smells, juices, or stains, keeping your kitchen cleaner and more hygienic. And the built-in juice groove catches liquids from meats or fruits, so your countertop stays mess-free. Cleaning is super easy. Rinse it, wipe it, or place it in the dishwasher. It's that simple. The stainless steel handle gives you a solid grip, making it easy to carry, hang, and store without slipping. Made with quality you can trust. Durable, hygienic, and perfect for busy kitchens. If you want a cutting board that's strong, clean, and built to handle everything, check the link in the description and get yours today. Make your food prep easier, safer, and cleaner.